part, continuation of the first part of index number, unweighted index numbers. Here, simple aggregating method P01 equal to summation P1 divided by P0 into 100. Here P1, P0. P1 is price of current year, P0 is price of this year. Total will be taken. The problem will be given in this format. 1980 will be base year, 1988 will be current year, because highest year will be current year will say, lowest will say base year. The values will be given 10, 15, 40, 25, 20, 25, 60, 40, whatever it's given, doesn't matter, you need to consider. Here 4 values are given, it can be any number of values, there is no condition of limited values like that. Commodity, different types of commodity will be sent. Look at that. Here commodity and then P0, P1 we know that. Both the total we take. Total of 10, 15, 40, 25, 90 will come. 20, 25, 60, 40 will come. 45. Use the formula. Summation P1 divided by P0 into 100. 145 divided by 90 into 100. This if you divide and multiply with 100 will get 161.11. This is simple aggregative method. Then second method, simple average of relative method. This is a formula, summation R divided by N into 100, where R equal to P1 divided by P0 into 100. Same expression only. R is introduced here for the purpose of division format. Now the same question will be taken. The term will be considered. Now will be added one more column. The column which is called as price relative, or equal to P1 divided by P0 into 100. P1 divided by P0, how do you calculate? 20 divided by 10. P1 divided by P0 into 100. 200. 25 divided by 15 into 100. 60 by 40 into 100. 40 by 25 into 100. Like that. If we calculated, then total 676.7. Now this formula is summation R divided by N. Capital N is here called as number of values. Number of values is given 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D. 4 values. 4. Suppose if 5 is there, 5. 6 is there, 6. 10 is there, 10. Like that. So this N. In this place there is no difference of capital N and small n, because we already studied small n is different, capital N is different. But here now then that must be different. Both are same in this unit. Okay, that's the first one. So total 676.7 divided by 4. P0 1 equal to 169.2. P will be written as capital letters, 0 and 1 will be written as suffix. So this is called price of index number is 169.2. Now we'll study weighted index number. Already I explained there are 5 methods we are going to study under weighted index number. What are the 5 methods? Last year method, Paasche method, Fishbowling method, Marge's Whitworth method, Marshall-Whitworth method, Fisher-Whitworth index method. In this first one, last year method. Last year method, you need to remember in short form. All the format will write first P1 divided by P0, Q0 multiply into 100. Here Q not increase. Q is called quantity in the first letter. Price of base year, quantity of base year, quantity of current year. 1 means current year, 0 means base year. That's the one we are going to use. Look at the second formula, Paasche method. P1, P0 fix it, then Q1 multiply, then we'll get Dorbish method. Both add it and take average. See that this is last year formula. This is Paasche formula by 2 into 100. How we are going to use, we'll see in the continuation of these classes. Marshall-Edgeworth method. See that Lasphere and Paasche method, numerator will be added. Separately, numerator will be added, denominator will be added, then take average. Numerator, denominator. Fisher ideal method, same thing. Multiply. Main important, Lasphere formula, Paasche formula, both multiply. Both the formula we are deriving under the square root. We are not outside the 100. 100 will be outside the square root. So be careful while writing. Majority of the students are making a mistakes here. So you write 100 should be outside. So we are using like this. We understand correctly. Are you clear? Then there are two tests will be there. One is time reversal test and one is factor reversal test. In this syllabus, our syllabus is only two tests. Time reversal test will change base year and current year. What will be the answer will come? The answer will 1. Both multiply, if we get 1, then we can say time reversal test. Okay, time reversal test determine when the given method is will work both the ways. That's why we say it is called ideal. Which method will be applicable here? Fisher ideal index number only. Okay, so product of them should be 1. This condition will be followed. This condition is followed means then you can say time reversal method. Factor reversal method, both if you multiply here, factor, price, quantity interchange. Then P1, Q1, P0, Q0 if we get, then we can say factor reversal method. That's what we say here. According to this index of price is multiplied by index number, quantity, the same days, given years and commodity should be equal to the two value of ratio. So then Fisher formula is called as ideal. Why? It based on geometric mean, which is considered best constructing index number. It fulfills both time reversal test, factor reversal test. Takes into account both current year as well as base year. It is free from bias, no bias at all. That's the reason Fisher ideal index is called as Fisher formula is called as ideal index number. Called as ideal. Because of the reasons. Clear? Now, how will you solve with this problem? That is important one. This is the way they will ask the question in the examination. It's a 14-mark question. Construct Fisher ideal index number from the following. Show how it is satisfied. Already said price, current year, base year, current year. Base year will be fine, least year, 0. Price means P0. Current year means P1. Quantity means base year Q0. Current year means Q1. This one I converted as next table. Just go through that. Compare with that. P0 is a price for base year. P1 price for current year. Q0 price quantity for base year. Q1 quantity for current year. Then how do you change? There is a combination. You have seen so many formulas combination. These are the 4 combination you remember. This is enough. Look at that 4 combination. First one P0, keep it as it is. Look at it here. P0 you keep it as it is. P1 you keep it here. In these two Q0, Q1. P1, Q0. P1, Q1. So any combination, these 4 combination will come. However, order doesn't matter. You can change the combinations, but finally the total you should get it. How do you follow that? I explained here. See, P0, Q0, P0 column and Q0 column. What is the value? 12 into 55, 12 into 55, 660, 10 into 100, 14 into 60, 16 into 30, 18 into 40, 20 into 70, 30 into 90, 15 into 80. These are all the values you got it. Similarly, P0 into Q1, 12 into 120, 20 into 55, 12 into 100, 15 into 60. You will get all these values. P1 into Q1, 20 into 120, 12 into 80, 15 into 80, like that you will get all these values. Then total, 8,100 will come, this column total, 9,600, this column total will come, 8,470, this total will come, 10,560, this total will come. Look at here again, P0 into Q0, P0 column and Q0 column should be multiplied. P0 and Q1, P0 column and Q1 column should be multiplied. P1 Q0, P1 column, Q0 column multiplied. P1 and Q1, P1 and Q1 column multiplied. So this is the way I have shown here. This is any combination, any order we make it. Finally, this total you should get properly. If it is not getting, you are able to get full marks. This is finding Fisher radial formula. What is it? P0, P1, P0, Q0 multiplied, P1, P0, Q1 multiplied. The corresponding value substitute and divide 8470 divided by 1.064545, 105516. This is the answer. Then see that you can make it 100, then simplify, you will get this value 114.95. Then time to result test. Why it took time result test? First 14 marks, Fisher radial index number, time result test, factor result test, the last. So P01, first Fisher formula, you write it in this place. Second format, you can write wherever 0 is there, 1 input. Wherever 1 is there, 0 input. That's the one. This part, Fisher formula, wherever 1 is there, 0. 0 is there, 1. 1 is there, 0. 1 is there, 0. 0 is there, 1. 0, 1. 0, 1. First part is a Fisher formula. Based on that, P1 here interchanging. Same thing you should interchange. Here, substitute those values which is found in the table. Then you can cut everything will be cancelled. Okay. And that's why it one. So this will be satisfied. We have right. So time series reversal test is verified. Come to the factor reversal test. Factor reversal test you need to prove P01 Q0 into Q01 equal to summation P1 Q1 divided by P0 Q0. This is 1. In this place, the corresponding this first part will be that Fisher radial formula. Second part, earlier time reversal test we followed. 1 is there, 0, 0 is there, but here P is there, Q is there, P. But here this is a Fisher formula, Fisher radial index formula. This part interchange wherever P is there, this case Q. P is there, interchange. Then values substitute. The values are substitute. Only these 4 values. Same design I put now. 2 values will be cancelled. Here will be remaining as it is. Twice is a square. Down also twice is a square. Square root and square will be cancelled. We'll get this value equivalent to summation P1 Q1, summation P0 Q0. So factor reversal test is verified. This is a clear if you write. It is a 14 mark question compulsory over here. Now let's pair methods separately. Sometimes they'll ask for a 6 marks question. You can use let's pair P1 Q0, P1 Q1. You know already the formula we studied. Substitute that value, simplify, you'll get that. That is substitute this value, get, and then you'll get that. Similarly, the wish method, the formula is this, then substitute, simplify, this is simplify, both add it and divided by 2 you'll get this value. Then partial adjustment method, this also, this is the formula. I said numerator will be added, so add it, this will be getting value, this will be dividing and get the values. Okay, then till here we'll see if any clarification. You can send a message to my number, then we'll get a clarification of this. Next class we'll be studied some more things. Okay, thank you.